Our school is part of the Kentucky Community and Technical College System, KCTCS. Okay. All right. This first one is correct. All right. You can't say that our school is KCTCS because it's not. One anything cannot be a whole system. A system requires different parts working together, cooperating. Okay. Number 17, Dwayne Johnson, or The Rock, has become one of Hollywood's biggest stars. Okay, so the commas here indicate that Dwayne Johnson is sometimes called The Rock. Okay, so this means Dwayne Johnson, or as he's sometimes called, The Rock, has become one of Hollywood's biggest stars. Okay, so we have one person, two names. Okay, let's take a look at this one. We cannot use a which clause here because removing the information about running on operating systems developed more than 10 years ago, removing that information makes this sentence nonsensical. Many recent computer programs are incompatible with computers that run on operating systems developed more than 10 years ago. They're incompatible with this. If we say B, we are saying many recent computer programs are incompatible with computers. That doesn't make any sense. Computer programs are not compatible with computers? Of course they're compatible. They're made for computers. That limits this to the types of computers that don't have compatibility. Computers running on operating systems developed more than 10 years ago means exactly the same thing as computers that run on. Okay. Next, 19. Many millionaires keep their yachts or luxurious ships in the harbor at Shelter Cove. Okay, so here, luxurious ships is a definition or explanation, a renaming of yacht. Okay, these are not two different kinds of things in this situation. They are the same thing in this situation, and the person using both is just trying to make sure that you understand what's going on. Okay. Finally, here we have an example very similar to number 18. A makes no sense. The Jones family wants to move to a town. Of course you want to move to a town. If you say that, we'll say, well, what kind of town? I want to move to a place. I want to live in a building. That's not very helpful information, and it's so obvious that nobody would really say it. A town that has better schools and a more vibrant economy. We have to restrict or limit the types of towns. The town they move to must be a town with better schools and a more vibrant economy.